Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Orientica. Orientica is a subsidiary or a branch of the House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain doesn't need introduction. They've been around for more than 50 years. They are Middle Eastern fragrance brand, and they are quite well known by now because they put out superbly good fragrances for very good prices. The ratio for what you pay and what you get is amazing. And Orientica, they have two kind of fragrances in their lineup. There are quite affordable cheap ones, and there are the the more expensive, and they are luxury. So this one I bought it myself from their website. If you go to their website right now, they have half price discount on some of their fragrances, and this is the cheaper lineup, and it retails around £15 for 100 ml, and this one in particular is called Riqqa Dhahab. Riqqa Dhahab pour Homme, 100 ml eau de Perfume. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it informative or valuable or entertaining, please hit those buttons, subscribe, like, comment. All these things help this channel to survive, to go a long way, and I really appreciate your help. Thank you very much, and let's go. So sorry about the noise. It's a cylindrical box. Okay, so it's a cylinder box. It's a cardboard. It says Orientica, and the details are there. And it opens like this, and the bottle comes out like this. For under £15, the presentation is okay. It's not bad. Oh, come on. Alright, just leave it for now. And the bottle itself is quite good looking. It's a quite heavy bottle. The cap is quite heavy as well, and it's like a leather strap on it. And here we go with a sprayer. Wow. It gives a huge amount of juice. Ooh, my hand is drenched. So it's a big sprayer. You can actually control this. For the price, the sprayer is amazing because you can control it. You can go as much as you like or as little as you like. It's one of those pressurized atomizers. Anyway, so goodness me, my hand is drenched. Okay, so first impression, how is the smell? Ooh, leathery. So the first thing that hits me is the leather. So the leather strip is indication of this is going to be a leather based fragrance. Sweet, amber, fruity. Wow, this is quite complex for under 15. Obviously I paid under £10 for this because, as I said, if you go to their website at the moment, they have a sale on, and for what I paid, it smells amazing. Okay, so leather, yes. Looks like amber, yes. Looks like some vanilla in here. Sweet, and also it's fruity. But what kind of fruit? It's like a dry fruit. I can smell something like an apple in here, maybe pear, but it's like a dried pear or dried apple. It's got a hint of wood in the background, but it's very in the background but you can feel it, and it's quite warm. A little bit of powderiness to it as well. A tiny bit of smokiness. a little bit earthy. The only thing is, although I drenched my hand, and it's so much of it in here, it's not jumping off. It should be jumping off my skin and filling the room. It's a little bit on the subdued side. A little bit balsamic. A little musky. But overall, for the price, it's amazing smell. But we have to wait and see the performance. If the performance is good, or at least acceptable, then we have a bang on our hand, because under £10 for such a beautiful smell, such a complex smell, is very layered. I wasn't expecting that at all. I was expecting something simpler, yeah, but it is quite layered. It's got many facets to it. It's very complex, but as I said, it's not jumping off my skin. Very nice. I like the smell very much. It's very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very well blended. Such a wow, I wasn't expecting that at all. Okay, so the smell is in a way that is quite universal, so it's men and women. Even though it says pour homme, forget that. It's bang in the middle. This is unisex. Better suited for cooler weather, but at the moment it's in a way that you can wear it all year round, because it's not, you know, it's not hitting me in the face. It's not a beast mode in any way, shape. It's, you know, it's closer to the skin. So I would, expect it to work all year round, but obviously it's better suited for cooler weather, this kind of fragrances anyway. I smell saffron now. Saffron, spice, cinnamon is coming up as well. A little bit of floral. The florals here like rose and jasmine combination. Mamma mia, what a complex fragrance. So overall, it's smells very good. As I said, I wasn't expecting to smell this good and this complex. So for the price, very good. Presentation is okay. Forget the box, but the bottle itself is very good bottle. Very heavy, very good looking bottle, so not bad. Just we have to wait and see the performance. If the performance is acceptable or good, then we have a banger, real banger, because it smells really good. Okay, now he's warming up. Is becoming, is projecting a little bit better. Yeah, it's projecting a little bit better. It's warming up on my skin. Okay guys, so so far so good. I'll let you know in the next video. I would say 25 and up for the age, because a little bit on the mature side in terms of smells. There's this one Middle Eastern, Oriental, Middle Eastern, Arabic, traditional, actually Middle Eastern fragrance. Okay, it's not even a modern one. It's very on the traditional one. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. I appreciate it. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are ultra beast mode, very artistic, very unique, amazing value for money. But you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye.